Does Philips TV have Disney Plus? Yes, most Philips smart TVs support Disney Plus, especially those running Android TV, Google TV, or Roku TV. Disney Plus is available as a downloadable app on these platforms, allowing users to stream movies and shows directly on their TV. However, some older Philips TVs may not support the app natively. 1. Disney Plus on Philips Android and Google TVs. Philips Android TV and Google TV models come with access to the Google Play Store, where you can download the Disney Plus app. Once installed, you can log in and start streaming. These TVs also support Chromecast, allowing you to cast Disney Plus from a mobile device. 2. How to install Disney Plus on a Philips Smart TV. To download and install Disney Plus on a Philips Smart TV, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store for Android.Google TV or the App Store for Roku TV. Search for Disney Plus and select Install. Open the app, sign in with your Disney Plus account, and start streaming. 3. Alternatives if your Philips TV does not have Disney Plus. If your Philips TV does not support Disney Plus, you can still watch it using Chromecast. Cast Disney Plus from your phone or tablet to your TV. Streaming devices. Connect Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or Google Chromecast to your TV and install Disney Plus. Gaming consoles. PlayStation and Xbox consoles support the Disney Plus app. HDMI cable. Connect a laptop with Disney Plus to your TV using an HDMI cable. 4. Disney Plus compatibility with Philips Roku TV. Philips Roku TVs fully support Disney Plus. You can download the app from the Roku Channel store, sign in, and enjoy Disney content without needing extra devices. 5. Benefits of using Disney Plus on Philips TVs. Stream Disney, Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars, and National Geographic content. Watch in high resolution, HD 4K HDR, Dolby Vision. Download for offline viewing on compatible devices. Multiple profiles and parental controls for family-friendly streaming. Most Philips smart TVs support Disney Plus, but if your model doesn't, using Chromecast, a streaming device, or a gaming console is an easy workaround.